Hi guys, and welcome to C# tutorial of Access Database Connection. This is an overview. Now let me show you guys how this works. We have update here in this add data. You can always add your data straight onto Access Database. Whatever changes you carry out here can be updated straight away, and you can reset if you want. Print, search, and view. Let's assume we want to reset, and we're going to search now. Let's search for whatever name in here. So I'm going to search for Peter. Click on search, and there we go. That's Peter's details in there. You can always click on that, supposing you want to change one or two things of Peter in there. Let's say we want to change the student ID. So that's Peter's student ID changed. All you then need to do is to click on update. Successful. There, let's look at Peter's ID. That is it. It's officially updated now. We can also delete. Supposing we want to delete, let's assume we want to delete this very record in here. Okay, all you then need to do is just to click on delete. There, all gone. We can also print. Click on print. There we go. If you want, you click on the print button right there. Now the next thing that we can do is we can add new data. I'm going to add new data in there, and let's say the name we're going to be adding in there is, let's enter some numbers in there, and that is the first name, Rocky Longlin. Yeah, Rocky Longlin. And then address of Rocky Longlin. He lives in Mill Hill. Okay, then postcode, telephone number. There. All we then need to do is add these details straight onto the database. But before I add it onto the database, I'm going to open up the database right there, just to prove to you that there's nothing in there with the name. Go straight into the database, double click on it. As you can see, that very name is not there. I'm going to close it now. So let's click on add now. Add Rocky straight onto the system. Successful. And that is Rocky's details in there. So let's go back into the database now. Double click on the database. We should be able to see Rocky's details on the database. Double click on that, and that is Rocky's details on the database. So what I am going to do now, guys, I'm going to take you guys straight into C# development environment, and we'll put one of these together. It's a very lovely tutorial, and see you guys shortly.